this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. And also don't forget the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Since we're still in lockdown and some of you maybe don't know what to do at home, try to organize your drawers. One drawer at a time. So we're going to organize my kitchen drawer. Three drawers in my kitchen. The first one is okay, it's organized. The second and third one are a little bit messy. Not a little bit. The other one is so messy. I just piled up everything inside that drawer. That drawer is so high and everything just keep on piling and we can't find anything there. So I'm trying to organize it. I'm going to try to organize it. Also, the other drawer is my towels, my kitchen towels. So we'll just fold them properly and I think it will be okay. So come on, let's start. So I decided to put the old organizer there. That's the old one. I just put it back. I just wash it. And I bought this the other day. But this won't, because it has handle. It won't fit inside my cabinet. So it fits here. So I just put it here. And this one I got it from the other cabinet and exchanged it with the other one like this. So it can't fit there. Decided to clean all the things, to wash them down and put it back. But I have decided to get rid of some other things that are broken or not using. I think some of the new things I'll just put it over there because I still have that one and I don't plan to throw it out. I'll put the new things. This is the peeler. I have two. I just bought a new one and the old one I haven't used it yet. And this scissors, oh, I found this. I'm going to use that. And this rolling pin, I have two, a metal one, a small one, and a wooden one. And
I'm just gonna keep it there. Maybe someday I'm gonna use it. And this one, I haven't used it yet. And the extra strainer for the sink. These are my old measuring cups. I think I have a new one, so I'll discard this. There's no handle anymore. Yeah, these red are the new ones. I'm going to keep the red ones. And stainless, I'm gonna give it away. These are my wooden spatulas. That's for the hot chocolate. And these are the spatulas. I just put it here on the side. And oh, my pizza cutter. I have two. And this is the grater for the zest. And this is for spaghetti and mashed potato. I'm not using those. I'm gonna put it aside. This is a scooper. I don't know. This is the garlic smasher. And this is for the California Maki and nutcracker. And for my
This is where
boneless
Nadine
bangus.
put her spoon and fork. And these are my juice and funnel. And for the tea, thermometer. This one is for my egg. And I don't know that this one is for. And this is also for Nadine's spoon for her baon. And cork for wine, I think. But I haven't used that. This is the strainer, the other half of the strainer. I think I'm gonna remove it from the pile. That's for my bread, and this is for the zest. Just keep it there. For eggs. This is the before and after drawers for my towels, for my kitchen towels.
Just second here. It's much more organized now. It's much more organized now, I suppose. I can see what's inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget the thumbs up sign and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.